Say, I hear rain. Don't just say it, but believe it. Say, I hear rain coming to this church. The rain that fell on the Old Testament church. I feel the rain. The rain that fell upon the New Testament church. I feel the rain. But you got to have the expectation that God's going to do just what he said he's going to do. I'm done preaching.